Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Mining. Today video is gonna be about game. Yeah, I know this is supposed to be a mining channel, but we're still doing with the ender trade. We need the ender trade running M4, and what we're gonna do is today I'm gonna install something probably you gotta be waiting for because I showed on one of my shows some of the stuff I'm getting into them, and it's gonna be the linear rail. Yes, the linear rail we're gonna put in it. So all right, guys, so I'll be see you over there after the intro, and we go after that. All right, guys, so we are back. It's in got over there, and to the video, we're going with this. So, that's instruction. That's linear rail, and the red drive. So, gonna have a little fun today because we gotta do nice, cool installation. Gonna back up the camera so I can get some space, and then I'm gonna move it over there. All right. All right, so number that we did last time, 215. Right, some broke everything. I can see that thing look nice. Now I'm looking at like the combination. I love that color. That color is super cool. But the reason that color is because we got this one too. Blue. That's metal. You're in around. And we got our installation bar. Lot of screw. Cable. C-type. And we're getting out the bracket. So I'm gonna run, I believe this one should be going something like this. Right there. Okay. So let's go with this. You're only gonna see like half of my face in the whole video.